Hello again, everyone. So the last lesson, we went over some some interesting things about using pipes, right? We examined the pipe examples that Angular offers to us. And in fact, you notice that we got faster. So now let's say that we have a product and we want to print the description of this product, and I want to prepare this statement using a pipe. Well, we can do this by creating our own or custom pipe. So now I'll create a new TS file to create my own pipe. So in this file, I'll first import the pipe information from Angular Core. Now we can use a method called transform in this class. And this method will come from the pipe transform that we wrote here. So I'll add it in here. Now I'm doing the class definition, and this class will implement pipe transform. So now that the redness is gone, I'll click on the class name and say implement interface transform. Transform method is added, as you can see. And now this method expects a parameter of any type. So we can send a string, a number, or a different type of value here. And secondly, we can use a list of arguments. So we created this file, and we will continue with some of the arrangements later. So now I'll just open up the TS file of our component. And here I can make some text for explanation. And now I will use this text in the HTML file with the string interpolation. And here we're going to use pipes like this. So I write the name of the pipe that we'll use. And this can be the same as the class name that we use. Now, of course, it has to start with a capital letter here. And here we send a string parameter. For now, it's not necessary. Now I'll just return the substring value of the parameter here. Now we'll need to associate this file with the pipe name that we wrote on the template. And I hope that you remember this from the selector section when we were creating the component. And just like the components, we will use the pipe decorator here. And inside of here, I'll write the name variable, and here will be the name that we use in the template. Now, there's one more thing that we're going to need to do. Of course, this pipe file that we created needs to be introduced to the app module. You remember that, right? When we create a new component, we need to introduce it to the app module. So we need to introduce this file in the same way. So I'll write the class name in the declarations, and here I'll import the file. So now we can embed our file in the app module, and now we can use this pipe we created. So we'll save all the changes and see how it works. And yeah, we can see the text that we created here, and bingo, just like that. All right, so in this lesson, we learned how to speed up the workflow by using pipes. And with this particular subject, we have completed our data binding part. All right, so that means that we will talk about Angular directives in the next section. I'll see you then. Until then, bye for now.